How to add payment method on Google Play. Certainly, here's a step-by-step guide on how to add a payment method on Google Play, written in a clear and human-friendly manner. How to add a payment method on Google Play. 1. Open Google Play Store. First, unlock your Android device and open the Google Play Store app. This is where you download apps, games, movies, and more. 2. Access payment methods. In the top left corner of the screen, tap on the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, to open the sidebar menu. 3. Navigate to payment methods. Scroll down and find payment methods in the menu list. Tap on it to proceed. 4. Add a payment method. Tap on Add Payment Method. You'll have several options to choose from. Credit or debit card. Enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, security code, and billing address. PayPal. Sign into your PayPal account to link it directly. Google Play gift card. Redeem a gift card by entering the code. 5. Enter your information. Follow the prompts to enter the required information for your chosen payment method. Make sure all details are accurate. 6. Review and save. After entering your information, review it carefully to ensure everything is correct. Then tap Save or Done to add the payment method to your Google Play account. Managing payment methods. If you ever need to update or remove a payment method, you can return to the Payment Methods section in Google Play Store and make changes as needed. 10. Enjoy your purchases. Now that your payment method is set up, you're ready to explore and purchase apps, games, movies, and more from Google Play hassle-free. This guide should help you or your viewers easily add a payment method to Google Play using their Android devices.